Craving chocolate cake but don't want to make a huge batch? Then you have to try this one-egg chocolate cake. It's soft, chocolatey, perfectly moist, and the best part is you don't even need an oven. We're making it right in the air fryer with simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's start with one room temperature egg. Crack it into a mixing bowl and beat it really well for about 1 minute. Using a room temperature egg helps everything combine more smoothly, so if your egg was in the fridge, just take it out a little earlier. Now add 1/3 cup of sugar. Beat the egg and sugar together really well. Don't rush this part. We want the mixture to become lighter, creamy, and nicely combined. As you continue beating, you'll notice the texture changing and becoming smoother. This is exactly what we're looking for. Make sure there aren't any big pockets of sugar sitting at the bottom of your bowl. Next, add 1/4 cup of oil. Beat it into the mixture for only about 30 seconds. And here's an important tip. Once the oil goes in, we don't want to overmix. Just mix until everything comes together and then stop. The batter should look smooth, glossy, and creamy. Now place a strainer over the bowl because it's time for our dry ingredients. Add 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift everything really well. Sifting is especially helpful with cocoa powder because cocoa loves to form little lumps, and nobody wants a pocket of dry cocoa in their cake. Once everything is sifted, start folding and mixing gently. I like to mix in one direction and take my time here. Scrape around the sides and bottom of the bowl so there are no hidden pockets of flour. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla might seem like a small addition, but it makes that chocolate flavor smell and taste even better. Add 2 tablespoons of milk and gently mix again until you have a smooth chocolate batter. Look at that consistency. It should be creamy and easily pourable, but not too thin. And just like before, don't keep mixing once your batter is smooth. Meanwhile, preheat your air fryer at 170 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Preheating gives the cake a nice, even start as soon as it goes into the air fryer. Lightly grease the inside of your cake mold with oil, making sure to cover the bottom and sides. This will make unmolding our cake much easier later. I'm also sprinkling some sesame seeds into the mold. This is optional, but I love the little nutty flavor and texture they add. Now pour in that beautiful chocolate batter. Use a spatula to get every last bit. We're definitely not wasting any chocolate. Give the mold a few gentle taps on your counter. This helps bring any larger trapped air bubbles to the surface and also levels out the batter. And now our cake is ready for the air fryer. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Since every air fryer can cook a little differently, start checking around the 15-minute mark. And look at this! Our one-egg chocolate cake is done. Soft, moist, chocolatey, and made with such simple ingredients. Let it cool for a little while before removing it from the mold. Then slice it up and enjoy. Just look at that soft chocolate center. If you love quick and easy recipes like this one, save this recipe and follow for more. Happy baking!